Here's what stings. People are killing it on Amazon. Some sellers are making real money, 6 figures, 7 figures even. But here's the difference. They have teams. They have data. They have systems. They use expensive tools, Helium 10, Jungle Scout, Zonguru. They split test listings, optimize for mobile versus desktop. They understand how Amazon thinks. Me? I was just a dreamer with a laptop and hope. Amazon punished my inexperience. I wasn't ready. A few months later, I joined a seller group on Facebook. Someone casually mentioned Walmart Marketplace. I laughed at first. I mean, who shops on Walmart online? Turns out, a lot of people do. In fact, over 120 million monthly users. But what really got me was this. The competition on Walmart was way lower, less saturated, fewer sellers, and less complicated. The barrier to entry? Almost non-existent. No need for brand registry. No expensive ads. Just good images, good pricing, and a real product. So I applied. Got approved in 5 days. Uploaded my listings manually. No tech wizardry. I used Canva for product images. I wrote the descriptions myself. I priced $1 lower than Amazon. First week, 4 sales. Second week, 12 sales. First month, $1,740 in revenue. No ads, no consultants, just real people buying what they need. Let me say this as clearly as I can. If you're a beginner with no team, no tech skills, and no capital, Walmart is the better platform to start. Here's why. White heavy checkmark low competition. You're not fighting 100 clones from China. White heavy checkmark no expensive ads. You can get organic sales. White heavy checkmark simplified setup. No FBA complexity. No brand registry stress. White heavy checkmark better margins. Less fee bleed. White heavy checkmark real buyers. Walmart customers are loyal and less price sensitive. Amazon is powerful, but it's a beast that eats beginners. Walmart is a path that lets you learn while you earn. If I could go back, I'd do 3 things differently. Start small on Walmart first. Build confidence, get cash flow, understand logistics. Only move to Amazon with proof of concept. Once your product sells consistently, use profits to scale into Amazon. Don't chase the hype. Learn the game. Tools don't make you rich. Understanding the system does. I failed on Amazon, but it taught me how to win smarter. I stopped chasing the loudest voices, and I started listening to what made sense for me. If you're standing at the same crossroads, don't let shiny numbers blind you. Look at the system, look at your skills, and start where you can win. For me, that was Walmart. Drop a comment. Are you selling on Amazon or Walmart? What's been your experience? Subscribe if this helped. More real seller stories coming. Amazon burned me. Walmart paid me. Want to know why? Watch the full video on YouTube. Link in bio.